Hello, welcome to Yoga with Loreta. What is Vinyasa? It's a flowing yoga when we move with the breath, when the movement is connected with the breath, mindful movement, like moving meditation. But also there is a short, repeatable movement which connects all practice, which helps us to create this inner heat, keep mobilizing. Let's practice together. From the front of the mat, Tadasana mountain pose. Feet about hip width apart. Inhale, arms up, palms up. Together, you can add a little back bend there. Without brow hinge from the hips, touch the ground. Bend your knees if you need. Straighten through your legs and spine now. Hands can be higher, chest opens to the front. Hands down and grounds. Your hands are grounded. We are in plank. First option, drop the knees, chest, chin, and lift your chest using the lower back in cobra. Elbows are pointing back. Your pubic bone is pressing against the mat. Legs about hip width apart. With the out breath, soften the belly. And make your way from your knees, make your way to downward facing dog. Long spine, keep those hands grounded. Second option, in plank. So in plank, you are pushing through the heels. Long line from the heels to the crown of the head. And then you point the elbows back. And you take yoga press up, Chaturanga Dandasana, and slide your chest further. And lift your knees in upper dog. And then from the toes, back to downward facing dog. So in cobra, hands are next to your chest, or in upper dog, hands are slightly back. From downward facing dog, look towards the front with the out breath step, walk or hop to your hands, straighten through your leg, spine, fold, press through the feet, arrive back in Tadasana mountain pose. Thank you for joining. Please see the video description below where you can see the links with other videos where you can practice Vinyasa. Please subscribe and hope to practice with you again soon.